In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mail account in SparkMail on iPhone. Before we begin, make sure you're on your iPhone and have the SparkMail app installed and updated. A reliable internet connection helps, since the app may check for settings as you go. When you're ready, open the SparkMail app. You'll know you're in the right place if you see your inbox or a welcome screen from Spark. Either view is fine, we just need to access the app's main menu. Look to the top left corner of the screen for the three lines icon, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. This opens Spark's side panel, which is the central hub for navigating the app. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the inbox view rather than a full screen compose window, and check the very top left edge of the screen. In the side panel, find and tap Settings. It typically appears toward the bottom of the menu and is represented by a gear icon. Tapping Settings takes you to the place where you can customize Spark to your liking, including notifications, appearance, and most importantly for today, your mail accounts. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Mail Accounts. Tap that to open a list of the accounts currently connected to Spark. If you already have accounts set up, you'll see them here. If not, the list may be empty, which is perfectly normal. This screen is where you manage everything related to your email identities in Spark. Now tap Add Account. This is the action that tells Spark you want to bring another email address into the app. Depending on your version of Spark, the Add Account option might appear as a button within the Mail Account screen or as a plus sign. Tapping it typically leads to a screen where you'll choose your email provider and continue from there. That next screen is where Spark guides you through the secure connection flow, and the app will clearly indicate any steps that follow, tailored to your provider. A couple of quick tips as you reach this point. If you're not seeing Add Account, double check that you're inside Mail Accounts and not another settings category. If the menu layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Spark occasionally updates its design, but Mail Accounts and Add Account remain in the same general place within settings. Also, if you prefer keeping work and personal email separate, remember that Spark supports multiple accounts beautifully, and you can switch between them right from the side panel you opened earlier. That's it. You've navigated from the inbox to settings, into Mail Accounts, and to Add Account. Everything you need to start connecting your email and Spark on iPhone.